traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, taxiing to runway 22.
Zulu, weather, wind 260 at 11, visibility 10, clear, below 12,000, temperature 3.
Cross City traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, departing runway 22. Downwind, clear final. We have 22. Instrument screen. Speed's live. And rotate. Positive rate. Flaps up. Thermal draft there. Cross City traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, departing the area to the south. Cross City. Jacksonville Center, November 80 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, Jack, go ahead.
We'd like to pick up our IFR clearance to Fort Pierce.
November 80 Papa Echo, Jack, Center, squawk 1622.
1622, 0 Papa Echo. All right, you want me to?
I want you to.
November 80 Papa Echo, radar contact 8 miles southeast of the Cross City Airport, Cross City altimeter 3004, stay altitude.
Currently at 2,000 feet.
Number 80 Papa Echo, roger, you're clear to the Fort Pierce Airport via direct climb, maintain 5,000.
Cleared via direct climb and maintain 5,000, 0 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, contact Jack's approach 118.6, good day.
118.6, 0 Papa Echo, thank you for your help.
No problem.
Jacksonville approach, November 80 Papa Echo, 2,800, climbing 5,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, Jack's approach, Ocala, altimeter 3006.
3006, 80 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, have an inmate to your clearance advisor, ready to copy.
80 Papa Echo, ready, copy.
November 0 Papa Echo, you're cleared to Fort Pierce Airport via direct THERMO, Charlie, Echo, Mike, Romeo, Oscar, John Victor 537, Treasure, Tango, Romeo, Victor, direct, maintain 5,000.
All right, 80 Papa Echo, I'm sorry, we couldn't copy that. We were in the IMC and we kind of got bounced around a little bit. I couldn't write it down.
All right, 0 Papa Echo to the advising, you're ready to copy.
All right, just give me another minute or two here. Thank you. Appreciate you, 0 Papa Echo.
No problem.
Oh, my goodness. Jacksonville Center, November 80 Papa Echo. Can you give us our first fix, and we'll get that going first, and we're still getting bounced around a little bit.
For 80 Papa Echo, first fix is THERMO, Charlie, Echo, Romeo, Mike, Oscar.
All right, Charlie, Echo, Romeo, Mike, Oscar. Thank you. Appreciate your help.
No problem.
Whew. Man, he just got put through the ringer again.
Big time. Two reroutes.
And I mean, they had like 5 things with all those waypoints we're not familiar with. Yeah, and I knew it sounded like he said Tempe, but anyway, got it.
Yeah, he's getting us out of this restricted is what he's doing.
Yeah, just a bit of weather. It's just right over in here.
Yeah.
Getting us through that.
And that was our second reroute while we were in IMC and bounced around. That was tough to do.
Oh, man.
When I say a reroute, I mean a complete reroute. It wasn't like any of the other waypoints we could have kind of kept going to.
Oh.
Orlando's right up here on our left, baby.
Oh. I knew we should be passing right beside like the parks and stuff, but then I got into waypoint land. I did just kind of put my head down and try to just concentrate on what they were saying. So.
Yeah. Well, they rip it off pretty fast. And
well, he was easier to understand. I could not understand that girl.
Well, she kept saying that CERMO sounded like THERMO with a T.
Yeah.
And I, you know, you were like me. I couldn't find that anywhere.
Like I said, they don't do this to us in Kansas.
No, they don't. Everything's direct in Kansas.
It is. Yeah, just go on. Just go in a straight line.
trying to see if I can see Wally World over here.
I know, I was trying to figure out, before we got that second reroute, I had kind of figured out where Orlando was and all that. Okay,
November 80 Papa Echo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend to 3,000, 0 Papa Echo.
There's Kissimmee and there's Orlando, so we should be able to see it.
That'll get us out of some of those clouds. It might be just as rough, but we get ready to go through some Bravo airspace here. What's the outer shelf there? 6,000 to 10,000.
Turn the cameras off again or just keep going?
Oh, it's up to you.
Oh no, afraid if we turn them off, we'll miss something again.
I know. All right, we are 3 minutes from Tempe.
If we make this turn, huh?
And then we're going to zig and zag.
I know it.
All right, so we want Victor 295 after Barron, right?
Correct.
You can expect a reroute.
Back to TRV.
Right.
Back to, what is it, KFPR?
Yeah. He said they'd give us vectors to final.
And vectors to final after that, so.
Oh my gosh.
Complete reroute.
The thing is, we're getting better at it.
I'm getting quicker at it, ain't I?
Yeah.
Lima Charlie, contact Miami Center 126.95.
When he said Barron, I wrote down the word B-A-R-O-N, but then immediately I saw on the map B-A-I-R-N. I thought, oh, got it. I'm sweating. I think you probably are too.
Yeah, I am. We're on Barron. There we go. We just turned to Smear.
Drink of water.
Sky Flight 551, traffic. 0 Papa Echo, contact Palm Beach approach 123.62.
123.62, 0 Papa Echo. Approach November 80 Papa Echo, level 3,000.
Port Pierce Tower information, Papa 2100 Zulu, wind 100 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 32, dew point 23, altimeter 3004. Visual approach runway 10 right in use, feedback all hold short instructions, read back runway assignments, VFR departing aircraft device, ground control, direction of flight. Scotch for birds and all clones to the airport. Notice airman taxiways Delta and Echo are closed between taxiways Alpha and Bravo. Advise on this contact, you have information, Papa.
Papa.
November 0 Papa Echo, clear direct Fort Pierce.
Clear direct Fort Pierce, 0 Papa Echo.
Here's your approach I have.
Oh, we shaved off a little bit of jogging around.
Yeah, just a bit.
November 0 Papa Echo, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles, maneuvering altitude and K 2,500.
0 Papa Echo looking. And we have negative contact on that traffic, 0 Papa Echo.
0 Papa Echo, roger. Traffic's now 1235 miles, maneuvering. Turning northbound, altitude and K 2,500. Additional traffic 1136 miles, maneuvering northbound as well, altitude and K 3,000. I'll keep you advised.
All right, appreciate your help, 0 Papa Echo.
It's be a practice area out here.
Yeah. There he is, right there. See him? He's turning, wing. See him. He's just, you can't see him anymore. Below the horizon.
The traffic's now 12 o'clock in a mile and a half northeast bound, altitude and K 2,500.
Yeah, we have him in sight, 0 Papa Echo.
Roger. November 0 Papa Echo, traffic no factor. Additional traffic 12 o'clock in 4 miles opposite direction, altitude unknown. Could be a glider, use caution.
We're looking, 0 Papa Echo.
Hey, they're all around us.
Yeah.
I can't see them all. It's kind of hazy, too.
Yeah.
0 Papa Echo, traffic's off your left wing with no factors. Descend and maintain 1,500.
Down to 1,500, 0 Papa Echo.
0 Papa Echo, additional target just popped up to you, 11 o'clock in a mile. Appears to be maneuvering in that position, altitude unknown.
0 Papa Echo, we're still looking.
Number 0 Papa Echo, advising you get Fort Pierce, 12 o'clock, 11 miles in sight.
We'll advise when we have in sight, 0 Papa Echo.
All right, be looking for the airport.
0 Papa Echo has the field in sight.
0 Papa Echo, clear visual approach runway 10 right. Final contact Fort Pierce Tower 128.2.
And we'll contact tower. Appreciate your help, 80 Papa Echo.
Okay.
Fort Pierce Tower, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, inbound with Papa.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, runway 10 right, clear to land.
10 right, clear to land, 80 Papa Echo.
Degrees flaps. Now this is left out here, sticking out here in no man's land. Right?
Yes.
It's 10 right. All right, 20 degrees flaps.
Okay, just fly her in, babe.
Cessna 230, number 2, follow Skylane 12 o'clock and 2.5 miles on the final, runway 10 right, clear to land.
I'm number 2 after the aircraft on the final, we're looking for the traffic, 10 right, clear to land, 230.
Alright, red over white. Flaps.
Parr Tower, good evening. Piaggio 107 Mike Sears with the 2.2 for the modified left base here for 10 right.
Piaggio 107 Mike Sierra, 4 Pierce Star, roger, left base runway 10 right, continue.
Left base 10 right, continue, 7 Mike Sierra. Are we still number 2, sir?
Yeah, 7 Mike Sierra, your traffic to follow is now mile final.
Copy, thank you.
Skyline 0 Papa Echo, turn right when able and contact ground 1955. Good day.
1955, 0 Papa Echo. Thanks for your help.
Sir, that is 5236 Mike, collision 10 right, ready for departure.
That is 5236 Mike 4.
On ground.
Okay.
Fort Pierce ground, Skylane 80 Papa Echo off of 10 right.
Skylane 80 Papa Echo, Fort Pierce ground, safe parking.
Going to the APP Jet Center.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, text to APP via Bravo Echo, hold short of runway 14.
Bravo Echo, hold short of runway 14, 0 Papa Echo.
Oh, there we go.
How
Zing.
short of this 14?
Bravo Echo and then stop there at 14.
Yeah. Right down there, looks like.
Focus ground, South 35230, vacated 10 right to 14, request back to the ramp.
35230 Fort Pierce ground, taxi via runway 14, Charlie 4 to the ramp.
PP Jet.
Okay.
Taxi to the ramp, 14 Charlie 4, 35230.
Alright, and there's Echo, I see Echo. Back Bravo is where we're at.
Right here?
Yeah.
Hold short on the hold short thing.
Yep.
Ground Piaggio 197 Mike Sears, altitude Park APP.
I see there's an airplane.
Number 197 Mike Sierra, Fort Pierce ground, taxi via right turn Alpha Echo, Bravo, hold short runway 14.
Right turn Alpha Echo Bravo, hold short 14, 7 Mike Sierra.
80 Papa Echo, cross runway 14, Echo taxi via Charlie 4 Charlie.
All right, cross 14 and Charlie 4 Charlie.
Orbit's gone, 230, are we cleared already to the ramp?
Number 35230, affirmative.
Charlie 4 to Charlie, right?
Okay. All the way down around that way.
Yeah.
Ground, did we screw up this taxi sequence here? Can you say again, please?
Number 7 Mike Sierra, you're going to turn left there at Bravo, and then right on Echo, and hold short of runway 14.
Left Bravo, right Echo, hold short 147, Mike Sierra, thank you.
There's a guy over there walking.
Yeah, I see him. That's just some guy walking.
Okay.
Oh, there's this guy Marshall right there waving us.
Office ground, Archer 613 Alpha 620 Alpha Charlie,
Oh, we on the front row.
That's what I was saying.
Departure with information, Papa.
November 620 Alpha Charlie, Fort Pierce ground, runway 10 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Runway 10 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha, 620 Alpha Charlie.
You're right.
November 7 Mike Sierra, make the